You all know my pantry. Now meet my kitchen shelves. In the second episode of Winter Styling My Home, this week we are all about kitchen shelves and countertops. Tip number 1. Select a corner in your kitchen for your seasonal favorite drink. I chose hot chocolate. Fill my jars with cocoa powder, honey, marshmallows, and my favorite Caprice wafers. I chose this terrazzo plate, on which I group all the essential elements to form this vignette. I displayed this ceramic pot as an anchor piece. Then grouped the filled jars while changing their heights. Tip number 2. Consider exposing at least 2 cups so your corner will appear inviting. Lastly, I added these wooden spoons for more functionality and style. Tip number 3. Cover switches and kitchen plugs with vertical items, such as my handmade watercolor painting. Finally, a vase with leaves or flowers completes the rule of third, adds height and life to the vignette. Moving to the shelves. Some kitchen utensils are cool to be exposed, like a marble or wooden garlic crusher. Tip number 4. Displaying plates in the background add depth to your shelves. I added pine cones for a wintry touch. Tied this fresh thyme bouquet that I'll be using in my dishes once it dries. Moving to the kitchen table where I displayed my favorite teas. A rolling pin because we love pizza. A local-made glass oil dispenser, and finally, a bowl with our favorite fruits. Remember tip number 3? Well, this time I used my wooden cutting boards. Yes, your kitchen should show how much you love giving, so display all your yummy homemade sweets. Tip number 5. Remove the original soap containers and fill them in nice dispensers, one for the dishes and the other for the hands. Then add a plate to contain them. This way you'll have a clean, aesthetic sink look. Did we mention love? I reused glass jars that I collect to form this romantic kitchen vignette. Flip them over dried flowers. You can add as much jars as you like. Since they are all transparent, just play with the heights. A green plant is always a winner on your kitchen shelf. Your kitchen should be essentially functional. It should reflect your character and habits. You can definitely ameliorate your lifestyle by creating these styled vignettes that satisfy your needs. And as usual, like and subscribe if you find this video interesting. See you next week!